Shenzhen, China. 1 year after Chinese search engine operator Baidu released its ChatGPT-like Ernie bot, the company this week announced tools to encourage locals to develop artificial intelligence applications. In China today, there are 1 billion internet users, strong foundation models, sufficient AI application scenarios and the most complete industrial system in the world, CEO Robin Li said in his opening speech at Baidu's annual AI Developers Conference on Tuesday. Everyone can be a developer, he said in Mandarin, according to a CNBC translation. While many point out how China lags behind the US in artificial intelligence capabilities, others emphasize how the strength of the Chinese market lies more in technological application. Take next-day e-commerce and 30-minute food delivery, for example. Baidu's newly announced AI tools allow people with no coding knowledge to create generative AI-powered chatbots for specific functions, which can then be integrated in a website, Baidu search engine results or other online portals. That's different from a similar tool called GPTs that OpenAI launched earlier this year, since those custom-built chatbots, for everything from suggesting movies to fixing code, sit within the ChatGPT interface. The basic Baidu tools are generally available to try for free, up until a certain usage limit, similar to some of Google's cloud and AI functions. OpenAI charges a monthly fee for the latest version of ChatGPT and the ability to use it for computer programs. The older ChatGPT 3.5 model is free to use, but without access to the custom-built GPTs. Baidu this week also announced 3 new versions of its Ernie AI model, called Speed, Light, and Tiny, that coders can selectively access, based on the complexity of the task. It feels like their focus is on building the entire native AI development ecosystem, providing a full set of development tools and platform solutions, said Baidu, managing director at West Summit Capital Management. That's according to a CNBC translation of the Chinese remarks. Baidu said this week that Ernie bot has accumulated more than 200 million users since its launch in March last year, and that computer programs are accessing the underlying AI model 200 million times a day. The company said more than 85,000 business clients have used its AI cloud platform to create 190,000 AI applications. Many of the use cases Baidu showed off this week centered on consumer-facing applications, tourism and creation of content such as picture books and scheduling meetings. In a demonstration hall, Baidu business departments showed off how the AI tools could be integrated with virtual people doing live streams, or directing search engine traffic to an AI-based interactive buying guide. BuySmart AI, which won Baidu's AI competition last year, uses the tech for an online shopping assistant connected to Chinese social media platform Weibo.